Visitors to Japan often notice a curious contrast. The culture is famous for delicious, carbohydrate-rich foods like ramen, tempura, and rice, yet the population maintains a healthy weight without relying on intense gym culture or avoiding large, heavy portions of the foods they love. This maintenance of a healthy weight is a byproduct of specific physical and chronological design choices made at the dinner table. Over the next 5 minutes, we will examine a blueprint to restructure your evening meal in 3 actionable steps. These changes do not require complex new cooking skills or specialized ingredients. They involve reorganizing how and when your food is plated. Adjusting the structure of a dining environment creates a path of least resistance, making health outcomes a result of design rather than a constant test of willpower. Step 1 is the hardware swap. Take your standard 12-inch dinner plates and store them away, replacing them with small saucers, tapas plates, and modest bowls. This initiates a specific psychological effect. When the brain sees a standard portion of food isolated in the center of a massive plate, it interprets that meal as inadequate. Multiple smaller vessels completely filled send a visual signal of abundance. Consider this fixed volume of food placed onto a large standard dinner plate. The empty space surrounding the meal creates a visual sense of scarcity, which can lead to feelings of dissatisfaction after eating. When we distribute that exact same volume of food across several smaller vessels, the food reaches the edges of the plates. The visual void disappears, and the brain registers a full feast. This hardware strategy is evident in standard family meals across Japan. By using many small bowls and saucers, a normal caloric intake is stretched into an expansive, highly engaging dining experience. You can achieve this effect by repurposing existing small kitchenware like salad plates, teacups, and prep bowls. Altering the physical presentation of a meal allows the brain to register complete satisfaction while the body consumes fewer calories. Step 2 is the assembly, built around a traditional Japanese rule called Ichiju-Sansai, or 1 soup, 3 sides. The first component is the soup. Starting your meal with a small bowl of warm liquid or broth physically fills a portion of your stomach, priming your digestive tract before heavier foods arrive. Next, allocate your second and third small plates for a modest portion of a primary carbohydrate and a lean protein, such as rice alongside fish or tofu. The final component requires dedicating your remaining 2 side plates entirely to high-flavor vegetables. Preparing multiple fresh dishes every night is a significant barrier to maintaining a healthy routine. This blueprint addresses that hurdle by incorporating sides that require no active cooking, such as store-bought pickles, mixed greens, or leftover roasted vegetables. This photographic evidence shows the long-term result of eating this way. These women are consuming a highly varied, nutrient-dense meal using small plates, allowing them to enjoy a wide range of flavors without caloric overload. This structure works with any cuisine. A cup of tomato soup, a small piece of chicken, a side of green beans, and a small dish of olives fits the Ichiju-Sansai blueprint. Dietary satisfaction is a result of engaging the senses with a variety of textures and flavors, rather than the consumption of a single heavy mass of food. Step 3 moves beyond what is on the plate to the timing of consumption, utilizing the 3-hour rule. To find your dinner deadline, count back 3 hours from your target bedtime. If you sleep at 10 p.m., your final bite of food should occur by 7 p.m. On the left side of this timeline, we see a meal eaten at 9 p.m. before a 10 p.m. bedtime. Food consumed right before sleep enters a dormant digestive tract. Because energy expenditure is lowest, more of that unspent energy is stored as fat. On the right side, an early dinner allows several hours of wakeful activity. This gives the body time to process the food, enabling the stomach to empty before the sleep phase begins. An empty stomach at bedtime contributes to deeper sleep and provides a natural boost to morning metabolism. To adapt to this new schedule, we use the concept of Kaizen, or continuous small improvements. Rather than jumping your schedule back several hours at once, shift your dinner time 30 minutes earlier every few days to avoid late-night hunger. Aligning fuel intake with the body's active energy needs prevents automatic fat storage and respects natural biological rhythms. This completed blueprint provides a visually abundant meal, automatic portion control, and a biologically optimized eating schedule. Ancient samurai wisdom suggests that strength is found by moving with natural forces. A A swordsman who fights the weight of his blade exhausts himself, while one who moves with the flow of the weapon can fight all day. Strict diets are a fight against the body's natural hunger signals. This blueprint works in harmony with those signals, satisfying hunger with appropriate amounts of nourishing food. Implement one piece of this blueprint tonight. Use a smaller plate. Have a bowl of soup first, or eat 30 minutes earlier. Through small, consistent adjustments to meal design, health becomes a sustainable habit rather than a temporary effort of restriction. Take good care of yourself.